Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infinity of Nashua, which I'll include a link to their website down below, we have the 2014 Maserati Ghibli. This is the Q4 model, meaning it's all-wheel drive, and I believe this is the best performance sedan under $30,000 that you can buy used. I mean, the fact that you can get this for under $30,000 is absolutely insane to me, given a sticker price of over, if not really close to, $100,000 back in 2014. The key is one of the heaviest keys I've ever felt. Tons of heft to it, which I really like. All season mats come with this one, as well as your typical carpeted mats. Very nice trunk space, given, especially due to the fact that this is all-wheel drive, so they have to have a drive shaft and a differential and everything in there. So it's very impressive that they managed to put that much trunk space in this car. Of course, powered by a twin-turbo V6. Absolutely awesome. Once I find it. Where is the... Aha! It's hidden. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. All right. Beautiful suede Alcantara headliner. Everything in here is soft touch too. Even on top of the gauge cluster, top of the door panels, even headlight controls, all soft touch material. Materials in here are really nice. Wow. This one currently has 62,900 miles, but it still drives absolutely perfect. Sunroof, of course. Backup camera. We'll be driving it in sport mode. We may do manual mode once or twice, but this is one of the best sounding cars out there. It sounds absolutely insane. And I think this one's listed for under $27,000, which blows my mind that for the price of a Camry, you can get a Ghibli, a Maserati. It's just absolutely phenomenal. These are pretty much as depreciated as they're going to get. And I definitely think they're going to start rising in value soon. I've always had a soft spot for the Ghibli. It's just such a cool car. And it's the entry into Italian ownership. Well, although Alfa Romeo is technically the entry, this one has much more of a soul than the Giulia does. Just based on sound and everything. It's just, I like the driving experience of the Ghibli more than I do the Giulia. Now, I haven't driven the Giulia too much, but just it lacks that sound for me with the 4-cylinder, whereas this has a proper twin-turbo V6. I get it, they're different classes of cars, but when you're spending money on a car, you want it to be the car you anticipate. That's my favorite part. You know, when you're not full throttle, you get some really nice sounds on upshifts. super comfortable too once you're cruising. Steering nice and heavy in sport mode, but once you turn off sport mode, you get into comfort mode. It's very, very comfortable cruiser. Just the sound, oh, makes me love this car. Now keep in mind, this is not the SQ4. This is just the normal Ghibli. The S is even louder and faster, which is insane to think about because this is properly quick. So this is the ZF8 speed. I honestly don't get why this car gets such a bad rap. Yes, sure, brand new, it's way overpriced. But in the used market, this is way underpriced. Can I just say I'm in love with this car? It is sensational to drive. Super, super comfortable too. Yes, I get it. Everybody has their opinions on this car. Mine is extremely high, especially at this current price point. That's what I'm probably going to title this video. Is this is the cheapest luxury car for the money. This is the best thing you can buy. It's just absolutely mind-blowing that this $100,000 car that only certain people could afford is now the same price as a Camry. Should it be? Absolutely not. But the market always dictates what the price of a car is going to be, and the market has not treated this very well. And I think people are starting to catch on to how much of a bargain these things are becoming, just because of a couple people's opinions on the fact that this uses a couple parts that are similar to Dodge. They're not even the exact same part. Now that we're just cruising on the highway, I can actually increase control and efficiency mode. That's what ICE stands for. So it's essentially eco mode. I can shut that off to put it into normal mode. And it's fantastic to just cruise on. With that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.